I would say one of the things that really sets CharTec apart is that they really focus on trying to give you something to walk away with and actually implement into your MSP. That's really key. It's important. Things that I can, it's not just here to try and sell you on something new or some new tool or product. It's to help you grow your MSP to take it to the next level. Yes, the Microsoft Glasshive session was incredible. I've actually been in Glasshive for probably a year and some change, and in just some quick little sessions with Brandy and Giovanni, I have a whole completely understanding about what Glasshive can do, and the limits are actually limitless from what I can see compared to a lot of the other tools that we've run across. Brandy and Giovanni are incredible trainers, and especially even, Giovanni being the owner of Glasshive, he was extremely patient, able to walk people through. Again, you can tell how passionate he is about his product. He's built it for MSPs, wanting to help empower MSPs to do something that we all quite honestly suck at, which is marketing, and help take that to the next level and make it so that way we can all become marketers in our own industry.